Welcome to becoming a 3D print girly. Most of this happens during my cozy 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5. I work full time and I'm not gonna lie, some days I get home and all I want to do is sleep. But this little window after work is the only time I really have to learn something new. A few days ago, I opened Nomad Sculpt for the first time ever. I knew nothing about 3D modeling and I still kind of don't, but I really want to bring my ideas to life. So I started with something small, a donut, and I will be giving it a little Miku twist. It's not perfect and it's definitely something that I still need to work on, but it's part of learning how to use my 5 to 9 for something that actually feels exciting again. So if you're winding down after a long day too, you're welcome to sit here and work alongside me. I hope you take this as a sign to follow something that sparks creativity in your mind and in your heart and in your body again. I feel like it's been ages since I've allowed myself to be creative and allowed myself to mess up and just kind of go back to the way that I used to think and feel when I was a kid, you know, something about becoming an adult, having to pay bills, having to work a 9 to 5. You become so disconnected with who you used to be because it's like you become a robot. And I have definitely forgotten how to do hobbies and start things that I've always wanted to do, but somehow life got way too busy to do them. But I really hope you take this as your sign to do something new, something you don't know how to do. Don't expect to gain anything from it, but just peace. full talking tutorial on how I made this donut, I can definitely do that. I just felt like it wasn't appropriate because I'm still learning, so I don't really know a lot of the terms. And I feel that once I make a few more 3D models, I will be able to teach you guys a lot better. I can also make a video about all the items that I bought in order to be able to do this. Essentially, my goal is to be able to 3D model ideas that come to me and 3D print them, whether this is making them into stationary items or functional items. I am still not sure. I also have some YouTube short videos where I go into details about the items that I bought to be able to do this, if you guys want to check them out. If not, I will link all the items I'm using in the description if you guys want to see what I decided to go with for my 3D modeling and 3D printing journey. Or I can also make a long form video for you guys going into detail of all the tech items I got and sort of reviewing them and seeing if I actually like them. Let me know if you guys would enjoy a video like that. I used to tell myself I didn't have time or energy to learn something like this after work, but sitting here tonight, I think what matters most wasn't how I finished. It was just more about showing up for myself. Your cozy 5 to 9 doesn't have to be productive or impressive, it just has to feel like it's yours. So I'm gonna call it here for tonight, but I hope to see you in my next 3D model with me video.